uh, duodenum inflammation. Right, duodenum inflammation. You have to find correct time to treat this duodenum. And now, this is very beautiful journey. You have to rent triogen model way. It is not fixed joint. Triogen model only. You remember layer? You remember layer story? So in right hand, you will find. And this is also very beautiful thing. First is, in first case, we find good time to treat. What is the good time for this organ or meridian? Now we have another vision also. In right hand we can do body treatment. Renting like this, body, hair like this. And then in left hand we can do your time treatment. This is one criteria. And second criteria is, after renting, when you reach that joint, same journey, which time is good to treat this joint. So let us say, we have to go to duodenum. Duodenum, via layer. Enjoy this very joyful journey. Smile and you will reach. And let us take this time organ as neutro. We have written two type 1 and type 2. In one type organ was neutro, and now in this type organ neutro. So slowly we'll go organ as neutro. You can just see which sequence, which group, which dimension like this. So first is body layer. Forefinger open. This is skin, muscles, bones, organ. This is type 1. According to type 2, skin. Organ is neutral. Bone and muscles. This is bone and muscles. Yes. So organ, we are taking organ this time. Organ as neutral. So in this finger, you can see that whole triogen sequence, organ sequence. Yes. So this duodenum, now that organ sequence has heterogroup, homogroup, neutro-group. Duodenum belongs to heterogroup. Yes? So in this finger, duodenum belongs to okay, duodenum, yes, duodenum belongs to heterogroup. So this is heterogroup. Heterogroup. This is heterogroup. And in this heterogroup, duodenum belongs to neutro dimension. This is neutro dimension. So we tap this neutro point. As a result, neutro dimension is here on this finger. Now in this neutro dimension, place of duodenum is hetero. Place of duodenum is, see again, hetero. So place of duodenum is hetero. This is again in this finger, duodenum is hetero. And where is stomach? Where is stomach? Stomach is neutro. Our case is duodenum. Okay. So for group who's writing slowly, I'll do it again. Slowly. First we go to space diagnosis, and then we go to time. And then we'll find what time is good for duodenum to treat. So first is body, layer, and layer, skin, muscle, bones, organ. So this time we have selected organ as neutro. So this is organ finger. Neutro finger is organ finger. So here we can see full sequence of organ. Duodenum, in this full organ sequence, duodenum belongs to heterogroup. So I choose hetero joint. In heterogroup, duodenum is in neutro dimension. So I tap neutro point. As a result, neutro finger opens. In neutro dimension, 4 organs are there, and among 4, duodenum is hetero. So which joint? Hetero joint. Finally I reached. Yes, you reached? Okay. Next. So be with this joint now, because now next research. Be with this joint. Which time is good? Which time is good?
आज के हिसाब से yes.
You can go according to present. Yes, you can just count. We are talking today's again. Go to November month. So November month again. Can you go? Yes. We are just calculating, and this joint is available for us. This joint is already with us. But when I will read, I will decide. I can tell my friend, wait, or I can give time to the patient. You come this hour to my clinic. You understand this? You come this hour. If he is free, he says morning hour, I am not free, evening after office. Okay, this evening time you come and be very punctual. So that time you can treat this joint which you have already selected. So time, because we did neutral time, later we will do neutral time also, and then we can find. But neutral time, because we know this now, so neutral time, which time is good? Let us do it fast. So November is which joint, which finger? Homo finger hetero joint. So our circulation is operational circulation like this, and this. And next I have to go to the little bit. So where is November? Where is November? Homo finger hetero joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Homo finger 23. After this, here in this case, I have to give time to the patient. I will call him and I will give him time. So as per my convenience, I can give time to that patient. So this is which I have reached the date. So 00, which time is convenient for me to treat him? 00, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is early morning 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11.
But 9 again 9 o'clock.
Morning 9 o'clock.
Is the time.
So see, but my center 9 o'clock closed. You have to be there. I am teaching you how to find convenient time. So this 9 is, of course, if it is family situation, you can treat.